How to change your delivery address on a current Uber Eats order. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on orders and you'll find your recent order in here. What you need to do is tap on help below order. There, you can simply click on change my address. Enter the new delivery address and review any delivery fee change shown. If not, you can simply click on select, and then after you confirm it, your order continues tracking to the updated address. And this is how to change your delivery address on a current Uber Eats order. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.